How to write a formal business email. Tools for successful business communication in English. We write formal emails to people we don't know well or in official situations, in company, distant colleagues or co-workers, or in company or other companies, or new working relationships, or when a person is senior than us, and finally, when significant workplace matters, we use formal or business emails. Here we have a model, an example. The subject can be meeting with Mr. Johnson, and this subject can be concise but specific subject line. And we can also have some organizations like organized meeting between important client and senior partner of a firm. This relationship can be new relationship, and we build a new relationship for the first time, and this is the first email in sequence. Let's have the salutation. Dear Miss Ellen, further to our conversation of mention the date. Here we just have a reference to the previous contact, and we refer to the previous conversation. And also we can thank and to introduce ourselves, our work as well, like thank you for the very informative speech you made, or my company is currently creating a new series of leader products, and so I'm writing to so and so. Next we have the same text, and only here one thing more is added. I'm writing to arrange a meeting for you with the principal partner, Mr. Johnson. Here we have I am writing to. Here we have no contractions in the formal and official or business emails. I am, not I'm. And here we have the correct punctuation. A comma is used to separate words. Correct punctuation, less use of dashes. And here is the main verb. Purpose statement. I'm writing to plus a verb, or I would like to plus a verb. I'm writing to arrange a meeting. So here the purpose statement is to arrange a meeting. Here, something best is added in this email. We make a question very much politely with what? With either next Tuesday or Wednesday. Here we have the same dates, July 19 or 20. Maybe Tuesday maybe 19th and Wednesday maybe 20. So here we have a detail and be convenient for you. And here we have the options. We give options to the second person. And here we use formal vocabulary like convenient. What about meeting up next Wednesday? Try to use fewer phrasal verbs. Example, to meet up. Here in this part, we just refer to attachments like, please note that I have attached the draft contract for you to read. And in this part, we just do not use very much difficult words, and we use plain and simple English, like read, not parasol. Here in this part, we avoid the repetition of the subject I. Please note that I have attached the draft contract for you to read, and will send you the read-edit report as soon as it is complete. So here, I is needed, but we do not use it. That's why, to avoid its repetition. And here we have the standard ellipsis, subject I, that is already stated. And what is ellipsis? Here we have the note. In formal writing, we usually leave up subjects and auxiliary verbs. This is called ellipsis. Here we have the I, and here no need to use it again and again. That's why it carries out the same meaning. And here we have a promised action, will plus the verb. Here we have will send you, will plus the verb, and when, as soon as it is complete. In this part of the email, we have a positive clause. That is, I look forward to hearing from you. And in this part of the email, we have a polite sign-off like kind regards. And after that, we have sender's first name and surname, and sender's possession title, and sender's contact details. That is called full signature block with contact details. And now we have the business email common structure. When we write an email, first of all, we have greeting, and then we can refer to previous contact or introduce yourself, or we can talk about background. And after that, we have the purpose statement and the background. And then we have the main content. The main content can be a request, can be informing someone, or giving authority, or authorizing someone, or we can refer to attachments to find the attachment. And finally, we can have a promise action. And then we close positively or point to future. And finally, we sign off the email. Here we have some common functions and phrases. Number 1, salutation. Dear Master, dear Mrs., or any surname like Dear Mr. Johnson, Dear Sir, or Dear Madam as well. Number 2, refer to previous contact, like further to our conversation of, mention the date. Or thank you for, noun, thank you for the gift. Or thank you for, verb plus ing, thank you for calling. It was a pleasure to meet you at the conference. Regarding, concerning, with regards to. So all these phrases can be used in our refer to the previous contact. And here, number 3, we have state purpose. I'm writing to plus verb. Or I would like to plus verb. I'm writing with regards to. I'm writing on behalf of. Number 4, asking questions. I would be grateful if. I wonder if you could. Could you tell me something about? I would particularly like to know. I would be interested in having more details about. Let's come to number 5. Refer to attachments. I have attached. Attached you will find, and many more sentences as well. Number 6. Let's have a promise action. We can make a promise action by I will plus a verb. We can use I will plus a verb. And number 7, we have closing. If you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact me. Or I look forward to hearing from you. Or please contact me if you have any further questions. And number 8, signing off. If dear surname is used in the salutation, you can sign off like yours sincerely. If dear sir or madam is used in the salutation or greetings, you can use yours faithfully in the signing off section. And first name plus surname is used. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos and information.